Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the foundation single crochet. This technique or this stitch can be used in the place of making chains at the beginning of projects. I have already made some chains up here because once I'm done making this foundation with single crochets, I do want to compare the two and show you guys how it's going to look. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook to learn this project. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. To begin, I have already made a slip knot on my hook. And to start this stitch or this technique, I am going to make 2 chains on my hook. So for this technique or this stitch, it is going to be all about where you place your hook. So I just want to show you guys. Normally you would work right under, this right here, this piece of yarn making this chain. You would work right into here normally, right? We're actually going to be working underneath both of these. You're going to be inserting your hook right here. Okay? It's going to be a little confusing at first once you learn it, because when I first learned it, I was like, what is this? So I just want to be very clear on where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go right underneath these two. I'm sorry if my camera is not focusing correctly. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see it. Okay? So that's going to be where I'm going to insert my hook right now. I'm going to go under those two, grab that yarn. I'm going to pull it through like a regular single crochet. I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to go through both of those like a regular single crochet. So again, this is where, we've already done one in the foundation. This is what it's going to look like. And then again, it's going to be, next is going to be where you're going to insert your hook. You're actually going to insert it right into here. It's very confusing, I'm sorry. You're going to insert it back into that stitch that you had just made, that one single crochet that you had just made. Okay, so I will show you. So I'm going to insert my hook right here. I'm going to go underneath both of those, the yarn right here. I'm going to grab that yarn, I'm going to pull it through, and then I'm going to yarn over like a regular single crochet. Again, it's going to be inserting right here. Grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both like a regular single crochet. This is what we have so far. Come on, phone. Please focus. I'm so sorry about my focus, guys. I don't know what's going on. But this is what we have so far. So this is where you're going to be inserting your hook, just so you guys know. It's going to be right back into here. It's just weird the way you hold it because you're holding it this way. But you're going to be inserting your hook back into this one right here. It's like the one you just made. Go and then make the single crochet back into the one we just made. It's very, very weird. It's like going backwards. So then you're going to go like that. This is where you're going to be inserting your hook. Maybe if I go back, there we go. That's a little better. Maybe I was too close. Sorry. Okay, so there we go. Grab it, pull it through, yarn over, go through like a regular single crochet. So right back into this one that we just made. This is what we have so far. So as you can see, it sort of looks like you already did some chains, and then this would be like a normal single crochet. And that's why it's called the foundation single crochet. Because it's basically taking the chaining step and the single crochet step and combining them into one foundation or one stitch or one technique. And it might seem confusing at first, but once you get it down, it actually, like the way it stretches and stuff, it's actually very nice. So here it is up next to that those chains I had made. You can tell that it looks like chains plus a single crochet. Okay, I'll do a little bit more. That way it's, you guys can easily see it. So this is where I'm going to be inserting my hook. Grabbing that yarn, I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to yarn over, go through like a regular single crochet. So you're working back into that one that we had just made, you know, right under these two right here. Go through, grab yarn, pull through. Come on, yarn, go through. Again, this is where you're inserting your hook underneath these two right here that look like a chain. Go underneath them. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through like a single crochet. Again, right under here. Yarn over, like a regular single crochet. So this is what we have so far. This is what the back's gonna look like. All together, you know, that looks like some chains and then some single crochets on top. So I hope this video makes sense. I hope this tutorial makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback that you would like to see for any future videos. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.